Fix CapCut network error on PC. CapCut no internet connection problem solved. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut network error or no internet connection issue on your Windows PC or Mac. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you can get back to editing without any interruptions. The first thing you want to check is whether CapCut is fully updated. CapCut can be pretty buggy when it's running on an older version. If you're using Windows, open CapCut and look at the top right corner of the app. If an update is available, you'll see a notification there. Click on it, download the update, install it, and then restart CapCut. If you're on a Mac, open the App Store, search for CapCut, and see if there's any pending update available. Keeping CapCut updated fixes the network problem in many cases. Next, make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. You can do this by visiting a website like Speedtest and checking your download and upload speeds. If you're using mobile data or a slow hotspot and the numbers are low, try switching to a stronger and more stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, restart CapCut and open it again to see if the network error is gone. Another fix that works for a lot of people is using a VPN. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a MacBook, the steps are almost the same. Most offer free plans. Install the app, sign in or create an account, and then connect to a fast server like the US or UK. Once the VPN is connected, restart CapCut and open it again. This often fixes the network error instantly. So make sure CapCut is updated, check your internet speed, or connect to a VPN on your Windows PC or Mac, and the issue should be resolved. If you know any other fixes for this problem, drop them in the comments below so we can help more people. That's all for the video.